Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering up both devices and removing barriers to pairing. First, charge your Powerbeats above 50% so they won't drop during setup. Then, open Bluetooth on your phone and leave the Bluetooth settings screen visible. This helps your phone scan continuously. Place the Powerbeats within 3 meters of the phone and close other Bluetooth devices to avoid interference. Once done, press the Powerbeats power button to enter pairing mode so your phone can detect them. This prepares you now put the Powerbeats into pairing mode and make the connection. Hold the power or pairing button until the LED blinks or you hear the pairing prompt. That indicates advertising. On your phone, refresh the Bluetooth list and locate the exact Powerbeats name. Tap it to initiate pairing. If a confirmation dialog appears, accept it and allow permissions if asked. Make sure the phone shows a connected status. Once connected, test audio briefly so you know the link is active and stable. You finish by verifying audio and resolving issues quickly. Play music and speak into the mic to confirm both playback and call functionality, then fine-tune volume in the phone's audio settings. If connection fails, reset the Powerbeats by holding the power button for about 15 seconds or follow the model-specific reset in the manual. This clears past pairings and often fixes problems. If resetting doesn't help, reboot your phone. Remove any stale Bluetooth entries and retry pairing. These steps usually restore a
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.